In the heart of the North Pole, where the snow sparkled like diamonds under the glistening stars, there was a magical place known as Santa's Workshop. It was here that Santa Claus and his merry band of elves worked tirelessly throughout the year to prepare for the most enchanting night of all, Christmas Eve. As the holiday season approached, Santa felt the excitement building in his heart. He knew that children around the world were eagerly writing their letters to him, expressing their hopes and dreams for Christmas. And Santa, with his heart full of love, was determined to make every child's Christmas wish come true. One frosty December evening, Santa gathered his team of devoted elves in the workshop. The air was filled with the scent of freshly baked cookies, and the elves were hard at work, wrapping presents, polishing sleigh bells, and checking lists twice. "Dear elves," Santa began, his twinkling eyes filled with warmth. "This year we have a special mission. We will ensure that every child, no matter where they are in the world, receives a gift from us." The elves, eager to spread the magic of Christmas, listened intently as Santa explained his plan. They would use their enchanted map, which showed the homes of every child who believed in the magic of Christmas, to carefully plan their route for Christmas Eve. The workshop buzzed with excitement as the elves prepared gifts for children of all ages. Toys were crafted with love, warm mittens and scarves were knitted, and delicious treats were baked. Each gift was carefully chosen to match the dreams and wishes expressed in the children's letters. As Christmas Eve approached, the North Pole was a whirlwind of activity. Santa's sleigh, polished to a brilliant shine, was loaded with presents, and the reindeer were ready to embark on their annual journey. The elves waved goodbye, knowing that their hard work would bring smiles to the faces of children worldwide. The night was clear, the stars were bright, and the snow crunched beneath the reindeer's hooves as Santa and his team set off. They traveled from snowy villages to bustling cities, leaving gifts beneath twinkling trees and stockings hung with care. With each stop, Santa felt the love and wonder of Christmas. He knew that the true magic of the holiday was not just in the presents, but in the joy of giving, the warmth of family, and the belief in the goodness of the world. As the sun peeked over the horizon on Christmas morning, Santa and his reindeer returned to the North Pole, their hearts filled with gratitude for the opportunity to bring happiness to children everywhere. Back in the workshop, the elves gathered to celebrate their successful mission. Santa thanked them for their dedication and reminded them that the magic of Christmas would live on in the hearts of children all year long. And so, Santa's magical Christmas adventure, a gift for every child, became a cherished story. A reminder that Christmas was a time of love, kindness, and the joy of giving, and that Santa's greatest gift was the happiness he brought to every child, no matter where they were in the world. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of more mystical tales and adventures. Make sure to like, comment, and share with fellow adventurers.